You're on. How's it going? Doing a good job today? You happy getting the video you're getting? All right, let's get going. It's showtime! Let me ask you a question. How many files have you shot? How many cycles on the battery you have? How many files have you deleted in the camera? How many times you formatted in the camera? How many times the crashes you had with the camera? How many times did you leave the camera on by mistake? How many times have you forgot the camera was on when you hooked it up to the computer? How many times did you forget to take a camera? How many times did you remember to take it and you didn't take any shots with the camera? I'll wait for you to answer those questions down below, Fish. See how long it takes for you to answer those questions. How many times have you missed hearing the beeps? How many times you missed feeling the vibration of the DJI Mic 2? How many times have you been just waiting for, the pop-up to come on so you know you're recording? There's so many how many times with the camera. It's just like saying there's one times too many. I just miss those how many times. Oh man, you can see that guy by the bicycle, no shoes on, and he's dancing in motion doing his exercise. And man, let me tell you, I just miss the way the camera just turned the mic on and gave me a buzz. Hey Fish, I hope you didn't miss anything in there. Did a lot of missing. I know, I guess I missed the point. I missed the time. I missed the shot. But I miss most of all, happy trails to you till we meet again. I don't miss showtime.